All right, Anna. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into phrases for describing your daily routine. I'll introduce each phrase, explain it, and then you'll repeat after me. This way, you'll remember them better. Ready?
I'm ready, teacher. I want to learn how to talk about my day in a more interesting way.
Great enthusiasm. Let's start with your morning. When your alarm goes off, do you get up right away, or do you stay in bed for a bit?
Oh, I usually stay in bed a little longer. I don't get up right away.
Ha ha! Sounds like you hit snooze a few times. Do you know what that means?
Hit snooze? I think I've heard it before, but I'm not sure what it means.
Good question. When we say, I hit snooze, it means you press the button on your alarm to stop it for a few more minutes of sleep. So, if you set your alarm for 6 a.m., but keep hitting snooze, maybe you actually get up at 6:30 or 6:45.
Ah, I understand. So when I hit the button on my alarm to delay waking up, I'm hitting snooze.
Exactly. So let's say it together. Repeat after me. I hit snooze a few times.
I hit snooze a few times. Yes, that's definitely me. I always want a few extra minutes of sleep.
A lot of people do. Now, once you finally get up, do you have a big breakfast or do you just eat something quick?
I usually just have something quick, like toast or maybe some fruit.
Perfect. Instead of saying, I eat something quickly, you can say, I grab a quick bite. It's a casual way of saying you eat something small and fast. Repeat after me. I grab a quick bite.
I grab a quick bite. That's so much better than just saying, I eat something fast.
Exactly. You're learning quickly. Now, after breakfast, do you go straight to school?
Yes, I head to school after breakfast.
Great! Here's a phrase you can use to make it sound more natural. Instead of saying, I go to school, try saying, I'm off to school. It means you're on your way. Repeat after me. I'm off to school.
I'm off to school. I like that. It sounds more like something a native speaker would say.
Exactly. So now you can say, I'm off to school instead of I go to school. Great work. Now, here's a fun one. Do you drink anything in the morning like coffee or tea?
Not yet, but my mom drinks coffee every morning.
Ah, here's a phrase for that. When people need coffee to wake up, they might say, I need my caffeine fix. It means they really need that coffee to start their day. Repeat after me. I need my caffeine fix.
I need my caffeine fix. So that means I need coffee to feel awake?
Exactly. It's a fun way to say that coffee or tea gives you energy. If you need that drink to feel alert, you might say, I need my caffeine fix.
That's really funny. I'll remember it. My mom could definitely say, I need my caffeine fix.
Okay, yes, she'll love that phrase. Now, let's talk about staying active. Do you walk to school?
Yes, I walk every day. It's not too far.
That's great. So instead of saying, I walk to school, you could say, I get my steps in by walking to school. Repeat after me. I get my steps in.
I get my steps in. So that means I'm getting exercise by walking, right?
Exactly. Getting your steps in means you're being active and moving throughout the day, often with a goal in mind, like 10,000 steps.
Got it. So I could say, I get my steps in by walking to school. That sounds so much more natural.
You're doing great. Now, let's talk about what you do after school. How do you relax when you get home?
I like to listen to music or read for a bit.
Those are perfect ways to relax. In English, we say, I unwind by, and then whatever activity you use to relax. Repeat after me. I unwind by listening to music.
I unwind by listening to music. Unwind. That means to relax, right?
Yes, exactly. Unwind means to let go of stress and just relax. You could also say, I unwind by reading a book, or I unwind by going for a walk.
Oh, I see. So I could say, I unwind by reading or listening to music. That sounds nice.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about helping out around the house. Do you do any chores?
Yes. Sometimes I clean or help organize things at home.
Great. So instead of saying, I do chores, you can say, I knock out some chores. It means you finish them quickly. Repeat after me. I knock out some chores.
I knock out some chores. That sounds funny, like I'm boxing with my chores.
I know, but in English, knock out can also mean to finish something fast. So if you say, I knock out some chores, it means you finish them quickly and get them out of the way.
Oh, I like that. So if I clean my room quickly, I can say, I knocked out some chores.
Exactly. Now let's say you're short on time. If you're hurrying, how would you say that?
I'd say, I'm going fast?
Close. In English, we say, I'm in a rush when we're short on time. Repeat after me. I'm in a rush.
I'm in a rush. So it means I don't have much time and need to hurry?
Exactly. When you're in a rush, you're moving quickly because you don't have much time.
Got it. So if I'm doing my homework quickly, I could say, I'm in a rush to finish my homework.
Perfect example. Now, when it's bedtime, there's a fun way to say go to sleep. You can say, I hit the sack. Repeat after me. I hit the sack.
I hit the sack. That sounds so funny, like I'm hitting a bag or something.
It does sound funny, but it's a common way to say you're going to bed. So if it's nighttime and you're tired, you can just say, I'm going to hit the sack.
I love it. So at bedtime, I can say, I hit the sack.
Exactly. Now, let's go through the whole day. Can you tell me your daily routine using these new phrases?
Sure, I'll try. In the morning, I hit snooze a few times because I don't want to get up. Then I grab a quick bite for breakfast. After that, I'm off to school. Since I walk, I get my steps in by walking there. After school, I unwind by listening to music, and then sometimes I knock out some chores at home. If I have homework, I'm usually in a rush to finish it. And finally, when it's bedtime, I hit the sack.
That was amazing, Anna. You used every single phrase correctly. You're really picking this up fast.
Thank you, teacher. I feel like I learned so much today. These phrases make everything sound more natural.
That's the idea. Let's review them one more time to make sure you remember them. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
All right. When you press your alarm to sleep a bit more, what do you say?
I hit snooze.
Excellent. And when you eat something quickly?
I grab a quick bite.
Perfect. And when you're leaving to go somewhere?
I'm off to school.
Nice job. And if you're walking to stay active?
I get my steps in.
Yes. Now, after school, when you relax, what do you say?
I unwind by listening to music.
Fantastic. And if you're helping out with chores?
I knock out some chores.
Great. And if you're short on time and need to hurry?
I'm in a rush.
Awesome. And finally, when it's time to sleep?
I hit the sack.
You did an incredible job, Anna. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon they'll feel like second nature to you.
Thank you, teacher. I'm going to practice these with my friends and family so I don't forget them.
That's the best way to learn, and I'm sure they'll be impressed by how natural you sound. And don't forget, if you ever need coffee in the morning, you can say, I need my caffeine fix.
Yes, my mom will love that one. Thank you so much, teacher. This was so helpful.
You're very welcome, Anna. Keep up the great work, and soon, talking about your daily routine will feel effortless. I'm proud of you, Anna. You did fantastic today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these phrases every day.
I'll definitely keep practicing. I feel so much more confident now. Thanks again.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you don't miss our next video. We have an exciting and engaging topic lined up to help you practice your listening skills. Click here to watch it and keep improving your English.